Hey everyone, so I've been getting a ton of messages asking about this Wood Profits program by Jim Morgan. And honestly, I was skeptical too. I mean, making over $12,000 a month from woodworking? From home. It sounds too good to be true, right? But here's the thing. I actually bought it, tested it, and I need to share what I discovered because this could change everything for you if you're struggling financially right now. So let me be completely honest with you. 3 months ago, I was in a really tough spot. My job wasn't secure, bills were piling up, and I was desperately looking for a way to make extra income. That's when I stumbled across Jim Morgan's Wood Profits system. Now, I've always enjoyed woodworking as a hobby. Nothing fancy, just basic projects in my garage. But Jim claims he's been making an average of $12,500 a month for 25 years, doing exactly what I was already doing for fun. The difference? He knew the 3 things I didn't: what to make for profit, who to sell it to, and where to sell it from. So I bought Wood Profits for $37, which honestly felt like a steal if even half of what Jim promised was true. And guys, I have to tell you, this isn't just some fluff guide. Jim literally started in a tiny 10 by 20 foot garage with no fancy tools and made over $150,000 in his first year. But here's what blew my mind. He shows you exactly how to get paid before you invest in expensive tools and supplies. The guide covers everything. How to start for under $1,000, the exact words to use to close sales without being pushy, and get this, he gives you a list of high-margin crafts you can build with basic tools that sell like crazy. But wait, it gets better. Jim includes over 500 of his personal top-selling plans as a bonus. 500. Plus, unlimited email coaching where he personally helps you. I tested one of his simple projects, a wine holder that costs about $5 in materials but sells for $50. That's a 900% profit margin. I made 3 of them last weekend and already have orders for 10 more. Look, I'm not saying you'll become a millionaire overnight, but in just 3 months I've already made back my investment 40 times over. And the best part? There's literally 0 risk. Jim offers a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you don't love it, for any reason, you get a full refund. No questions asked. I've never seen someone so confident in their product. Guys, I rarely recommend products, but this one actually works. For $37, you're getting a complete business system that could change your financial situation forever. I'll put the link in the description below. But honestly, don't wait. I heard Jim might be raising the price soon, and those bonus plans won't be included forever. If you're tired of financial stress and want to turn your hobby into profit, this is your chance. Click the link, grab Wood Profits, and start building your financial freedom today. Trust me, your future self will thank you.